Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make kidney beans curry or rajma masala. For this I have taken kidney beans or rajma which I have soaked in water for 6 hours, 2 onions sliced, 3 tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic which I have chopped it finely, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon fenugreek leaves, 2 tablespoons of cilantro or coriander leaves, oil, salt to taste, and water. The first step I am going to do is cook the rajma in cooker for 3 whistles. I am going to add water. I am just adding water to cover up the rajma. And then half a tablespoon of salt and cook it for 3 whistles. The next step is I'm going to open the cooker, make sure the steam is gone. Next step which I'm going to do is I'm going to saute the onions. So I'm taking 4 tablespoons of oil. Now my oil is hot. I'm going to add in the onions and saute it till it's golden brown. Now I have sauteed my onions. I'm going to drain out the oil from the onions, excess oil, then keep the onions separate. Into the same pan I'm going to saute ginger and garlic. After the raw smell goes, I'm going to add in the tomatoes. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking the tomatoes, I'm going to add in the chili powder, the coriander powder, and the turmeric powder. I'm going to mix it well. Next I'm going to add the kasturi methi or fenugreek leaves. I'm going to add in 1 cup of water. I'm going to add half a tablespoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste and bring it to a boil. After 3 minutes of cooking, I'm going to turn off the stove and let it cool down, and then I'm going to blend the mixture. After cooling down, I blended the tomato mixture. Once the kidney beans is cooked, I'm going to turn on the stove again in the same cooker and then add in the tomato mixture to it. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to add in the sauteed onions and half of the coriander leaves. And cover and cook it on a medium flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of cooking, I'm going to add garam masala and the remaining coriander or cilantro leaves and mix it well. Now you can turn off your stove and your kidney beans curry or rajma masala is ready. Your delicious kidney beans curry or rajma masala is ready now. You can enjoy it with hot chapati. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.